In this video, I'll detail how to set up Hey Siri. So if you have an iPhone and you want to communicate with Siri by saying, Hey Siri, you see that? Then whenever I say, Hey Siri, on my iPhone, Siri is going to respond and I'll be able to instruct Siri to perform a certain action for me. Hey Siri, lock my phone. You see that? So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up Hey Siri on your iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, click on Siri and search, or Siri, depending on your iOS. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier, you want to click on Siri and search. If you're using iOS 18, go ahead and click on Siri. Now, once you selected Siri on this page, locate Talk to Siri and click on that. Once you tap Talk to Siri, then choose Hey Siri, and then you should see a pop that says Enable Siri. Then once you selected Hey Siri, then you're going to see you need to set up Hey Siri on your iPhone. Then to set up Hey Siri on your iPhone, all you just need to do is click on Continue. Now once you click on the Continue button, go ahead and say, Hey Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Then once that is done, you should see Siri is ready. Then go ahead and click on the done button. Then once you tap the done button, come here and turn on press side button for Siri, so that when you press your iPhone side button or your home button, this is going to wake Siri and you'll be able to communicate with Siri. However, you can now switch between Hey Siri or Hey Siri like this. So once you set up Hey Siri on your iPhone, you can switch between the option to talk to Siri, which is Siri, or Hey Siri, or Hey Siri. Then once you selected that, you can just come back here. Now, before you proceed, come here and turn on Allow Siri when locked, so that you're able to use Siri when your iPhone screen is locked. Then, also come here, click on Voice, and then choose your voice from this page. You can choose a female voice or a male voice. Then once you selected that, if you want to hang up call with Siri, when you have an active call, just come here and click on Call Hang Up and enable this. Once this is enabled, you'll be able to hang up call with Siri on your iPhone. Now, if you want Siri to speak, whenever you say, Hey Siri, then you need to come here and turn on Prefer Spoken Responses. So if you choose Prefer Silent Responses, your Siri will only wake and it will not give you a response that is active. Then once that is selected, just hit the power button and your Siri is good to go. Hey Siri, what's today's date?
It's Tuesday, the 20th of August, 2024.
So that is basically all you need to do to set up Hey Siri on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.